All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. Let's do this together. I just finished my test for lunch and I have served a bowl salad, one meal served in a bowl with everything that you need for your lunchtime. And I've made a blue cheese and pears salad with balsamic vinaigrette dressing and mint. Let's go together and see what's left from the test, and so you can see what I do every day and how a recipe is created and developed and finalized. Okay, we are in the kitchen. This is like a house kitchen because all the recipes they are made to be able to be done again at home. Over here, I served some ciabatta bread. Let's look around as well. We're here. I'm preparing some moringa tea for this evening testing. Over here, I have something interesting. It's a salt pepper mix that I developed this recipe, salt and pepper together in a way that is dosage every day for 6 months. So we stay with the requirements of the science. Over here I have my computer where I work. Over here I have the mess that I have to clean. This is what's left from the lunch, and I'll take care of it. This is just a way to display ingredients that I prepare before I start. This is the bowl where I mixed everything. So let's go outside together and see what's actually happened outside. The judges, they're gone. And then I will go there, I look at what is left, I do my notes, and then I have a meeting with them in about 15 minutes to check and see what they have on their comment cards. So we are in Florida. Today is a nice sunny day. It's October, perfect temperature. And this is where I serve lunch when it's good weather. We try to stay with the nature. So that's what is left. So this is a big bowl for lunch. 80 grams each of salad. All the ingredients, they are proportioned in a way that at the end of the week, when they're put together with all the other daily menus, you get the same intakes of someone eating the Mediterranean diet on the Mediterranean countries. We got 2 slices of bread left. Dipping sauce over here. Dipping sauce over here is made in 2 different ways. I will explain you that. So one salad, one was a man and one was a woman. That's something to note. The dressing that I made, it's enough. Those are the notes I look. This is leftover. The fruit served was taken all the way. So about 80-90 grams of fruit each person. So I'll go inside, make note, and this is where the fruit was. I served a tea and then a lemonade that is gone, so most likely he's still drinking the lemonade, the judge. We're here on the Gulf of Mexico, or Mexican Gulf. I don't remember how you say correctly, but we're in Florida. We're facing Texas. On the other side, can you see Texas? I cannot. Anyways, this is a beautiful place for me to be here and work the recipe, test the recipe, write the recipe. I need a place where I stay close to the nature. We have a boat over there. Let's see, I can see, I don't know if I can zoom it. What is that? Oh yeah, over there. There is something moving. Anyways, let's go back to business. So I've been doing this testing for 2 years. I've been doing the studies for 1 year. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I've been working on this every single day for the past 3 years. The first year I went ahead and studied all the Mediterranean diet, rebuilt the history, understanding what was written in Italy, in America, in Greece, in Europe. I speak Italian fluently. I went to school to be a chef in Italy, so I can read Italian very well. So I'm able to look into the historical books of the Mediterranean diet, the studies of Anshel Keys, and who came before him, who came after him, and rebuilt the whole Mediterranean diet till the last update that came in 2021. There will be few updates coming soon. And that's what I have created. So after I see this, I go inside, make notes. I will come back to clean, and I'll show you how a recipe is born. This is actually the 4th time that I write this recipe, or I tried this recipe. So this is 2 previous recipes. This is a note for today. These are not more correct. This is the book of the recipes that I write. And thank you for staying with me watching this video. You might be interested in what I do. So this is the 3rd time. So I make a note. 3rd time and the date. October 16, 2023. And then the name. Salad with pear and gorgonzola. I have to be careful to write well because I write like a doctor. I don't even understand my own writing sometimes. So then I go through the previous 2 tries, the current try, the note of this time. So dressing was enough, dressing was okay, ingredients were enough. So there is a little left over. Then most likely is from the woman. Usually women, they have a tendency to eat a little bit less. And all the flow of the ingredients is nice. This is matched the daily intake of the meal of the day. So it worked out very well. I am very busy, as you can see. I try to stay communicating with the person that writes all these recipes, because then they go on a computer. There is Eva that is putting this in the computer, and then we test one more time, and that's the final test. So we do at least 3 testing. If it doesn't work, we go 4, 5, and 6. And that's what I went through for the past 2 years. So I'll go ahead and rewrite this and then give it to Eva, that she can start putting this on the computer. We have what is called a draft, and then it comes back to me, and we put it back on the monthly menu to try this again. So this is a little bit of what I do for the new modern Mediterranean diet. This is an example of the recipes that you will find as we publish them on mealsforlongevity.com in the section e-recipes. So register on the website mealsforlongevity.com, register to the newsletter. So when I finalize the recipes, I'll let you know the recipe is done, it's published. You can go ahead and download it. We ask for $1 for each recipe at this time, so we can pay our expenses for working the website, and a little help here and there for ingredients, for time, and so on. So this is a little bit of report from Chef Giuseppe, and also remember to subscribe on the channel. Ciao!